Hey, Mr. Fox here. Welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to make this cool looking dice with LED lights inside. Alright, let's take a look at the 3D model in Fusion 360. First I make a cube, chamfer the corners and make it hollow. Then I extrude cutouts for side panels. I create a fixture for battery in the middle. Final thing is to add a small hole in the corner for the light switch. When the model is done, I export it as STL for 3D printing. Printing the cube took 8.5 hours. I remove internal supports and check the print quality. It looks really good. Here I make sure the battery fits snugly inside the fixture. Next, I take the light switch and connect it to the battery. Then I connect a piece of LED strip and make sure the switch is working. I cut 3 more pieces of LED strips and connect them in a chain. Here I use hot glue to make wire connections stronger, otherwise they can easily break off. Then I glue the switch in place and test how it works. Here I carefully attach the strips to 4 corners of the cube and make sure I don't break any of the connections. Once they are in place, I secure them with hot glue. And now all that's left is to make the side panels. I use material from Zortrax. It is 1.6 mm thick and becomes see-through where engraving is made. After cutting the panel, I remove protective film and do the engraving. After engraving, I use window cleaner to wipe off the dust. And finally, I insert the panels, secure them with hot glue, and it's done. The dice is ready. Alright, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and I will see you in the next video. Bye!